Kala ko yung mga ibon na akala ko sa labas ng bahay. Sa labas din. Kinuha na ba yung account nyo? Ni Ian? Hindi pa.
Alam naman yan.
Yung?
Account namin. Galing kami sa tomato eh.
Sa?
Tomato.
Bakit?
Credit ba tayo?
Hindi, magkasado tayo niyan.
Ha?
Magkakasado. Kaya nga, kami 2 days lang.
Sa 15?
2 days pala.
Kayo?
4 days sa
4 days sa inyo? 4 days? Kaya pag gumora kayo, gumora kayo, mag-get pa yung 15 days na anikbo natin dito eh. Mag-get pa natin sa kanya, di na.
Pero may magre-resign ka. Magre-resign ka. Pero may bayad pa din.
Kano?
500.
Alam niyo. Mauna ka na, mauna ka pagka nag-resign ako ng ganyan. 500, sayang. Padala na lang ang 500 din. Nagkakatipan din naman sa gantos.
Tsaka nakakubura pa may PRC.
Wala pa nga.
Punta ka na naman.
Malta.
Kwarta.
Ang dami sa salita ng kasama. Sa sumakaw sa akin ang saan pa.
With Spain?
Indonesia.
Next year.
Spanish yun.
Indonesia and Philippines captured by Spain. That's why they colorize the body because other Spain pack the girl of Filipina and Indonesia. That's why they got a beautiful.
Beautiful faces.
Uy, hindi ba mga hapon yun?
Alin?
Mga NPA?
Anong FPA? Ano yun? Yakuza?
Oo, yung nagsakot na ano.
Iba pa yung sinakap din tayo ni Spain. Oh, ito na lang. Sinong kalaban ni Lapu-Lapu? Si Magellan. Magellan is Espanyol. That's why.
Espanyol ba yun?
Espanyol si Magellan.
Portuguese.
Oh, anong salita ng Portuguese? Espanyol. No. Tabi malambot.
Soft.
So, hard. Because this one is broke. Maybe. cannot stop because like
This one, yeah. Ito na lang nila. Half full tumagal. Ito yung sinking feeling.
you know the crab.
Yes. Sa akin tumagal kasi pag sa kanila parang half full kasi gano'n sila. Sinking.
Why the other two Indonesian ran away?
I don't know because
Three.
there is before working in Sidian Nagora, but their spice closed and then she moved to our company. They are joined with our company. And they need to training like Kopido because not all of the company has Kopido. Kopido and anti-aging maybe. And then today, normally today they will be moved to Boslav, but yesterday they run away.
Yes, because Lily told me that 3 years Indonesian run away. When she go back in Bersonyo, that's the day that Indonesian run away.
Yes.
That's
They
why
live in
Paulina
Paulina apartment.
Yes.
Miss Paulina called me.
Baka doon ka ilagay.
Because I got my things because I only have 2 t-shirts. I got my things now. Said, no, I only get my things. I'm not allowed to my clothes either. Maybe she thought that I got. Maybe they are fine another company.
Maybe.
Another company like massage also, much more than higher salary.
I don't know.
Maybe that's like they want more higher salary and more easily work. That's why.
Because, but only our company has a good, like when we have customer, our company give us break for cleaning, for eat something. But in another salon, no.
No.
At one you finish, at one you will have customer like this.
Even the other
Yeah.
company
But
do
if
that.
you don't have energy, you have to eat.
Yes, of course. But they sometimes boss didn't understand about this. They just want because they are pay you too much and you should to be working hard. But in normal, if you don't have training, after your first massage, 15 minutes break, then another customer. Yes. So you have time to eat. Yes. Because if you're in the factory continuing, no this, no? Mahirap din sa factory kasi that's oras ka nakatayo.
Sanay sila. Kahit di matulog yung mga yan. Sanay sila. Factory.
Sanay ba kayo sa factory pag kinain natulog? Bumagsak talaga yung katawan ko sa factory.
Sanay ako sa factory.
Sabi ko sa'yo, doon ang bahay nila.
Galing ka din ba ng factory?
Oo naman. Pilipinas pa lang factory talaga.
Ayun pala ako, hindi nakakamaw sa factory ako. Sa China.
Ako pa siyempre mag-factory sa
Ano kasi
foreign.
mami maano akong bilog tapos mag-cotton tayo tapos
Mas maganda yung pag-days kaysa ikaw mag-afford. Kasi oras lang hintayin mo lang.
hindi, sarili mo, sarili mo ang quota.
Hindi naman kasi yung warehouse yun. Basta warehouse ka, sarili mo quota. Basta warehouse.
Ako may sarili akong quota. May target kami dyan sa LS.
One room.
No.
Individual.
Finish mo yung, you will finish the 1,760 na tray. And kada tray niyan is 10 pieces. 20 pieces per tray. And then before lunch, I finished already. So I have a
Break time.
break time for how many hours? 6 hours break time for me. Diba? Kaya nga nanginayang ako dun sa cleaning.
Pero mami, sinabi mo na nga, isang buwan ka ng bakasyon.
Saan?
Sa Pinas.
Di pwede, opera ako eh.
So 2 months your vacation? 3 months?
3 months, more than 3 months, 4 months.
Buti, nag-occupied kang TRC mo for 3 years pala, no?
Kailangan update mo yung TRC mo. May tutulong naman sa akin eh. Mag-update ng TRC.
You have lawyer?
Yes, I have lawyer. Woman lawyer. Pag na-update ka ng TRC mo, do you update your TRC? I know. You first time to go in Indonesia, right? Because me, I take vacation Philippines 4 months. That's why I'm going to update my TRC. Because
Yes,
going
you
back to
change.
zero. Back to zero din yan sa akin.
Because you change your company.
You don't
Yes.
have TRC?
I have. But if you go back in your country, for how many months, you will going to
They,
update your TRC. Maybe
no,
because
mami, if you change your company, but meaning only same company only.
no. No. You must update your TRC because your tax in
No,
every month
no.
you didn't pay
No,
it.
if your TRC is still available,
Hmm.
so not upgrade. But if your TRC already finished, you should to make a visa.
Yes, that's why you must update your TRC. Me, I was update your TRC because I got a new employer.
Yes.
Because I got vacation for 4 months in Philippines. And that's why I changed my employer, changed work, so I'm going to update my TRC because first, every day that I didn't pay tax because I didn't have work because I got vacation in Philippines. So that's why I need to update my TRC because if you're not update your TRC, you're going back to zero again. But if your company pay your daily, if you are in Indonesia, no problem about it because you don't change your
Company.
Indonesia company and your employer. It's okay for you. But me, I changed my work, so new employer. So
Yeah, I need
that's
to
why I update.
If you go vacation, mean you don't have salary also for 2 months.
No.
I why? Because if you had a day in every month, you will have salary.
Direction.
Kaya nga, that's why. You will have a salary per direct.
No, because I finished contract.
Finish contract 2 years. Oh, you go. You go here, you're pregnant, okay? You give your baby to me, okay? So I got baby.
No, I don't.
Ready.
Baby agad. Baby.
Yeah, the rule in the Polish law, if you are under the company and finish the contract, they will buy for you ticket, right, Min? And you have 20 days. Do you have 20 days payment vacation? There's a Polish law.
No, because when we have, especially in our company, if our contract already finished, if you want to come back or not, it's up to you.
But
Yeah,
you
it's
have
your decision.
ticket back and forth. You have ticket back and forth.
And also for the holiday, it's up to you how many months you want to take it. Maybe 1 month, 3 months, it doesn't matter for the company. Yeah. If you want to come back again, you just call the company when you want to
But
come back.
you have vacation pay, 20 days should be. But it's up to you if you make 2 months, 3 months. There's a deal.
Hindi naman siya kasi pag ano.
Yeah, I know, but
She's not regular employee.
Yes.
20 days.
Pero
Kasi
hindi
good.
na
Every
pwede
year's
na-
20 days.
Because you are direct. Because me, I came from school, I finished contract 1 year. They gave me ticket and 20 days vacation. But
It's urlop.
but if your agency know like this, only direct customers Polish. Tayo sa agency water doon, bumili ka ng ticket.
Wala sa buhay.
Pag agency, bahala ka sa buhay mo, walang ticket. Sila kasi direct. Yun yung kainan pagka-direct.
Maybe our direct is okay.
Yes, because you have benefits.
Free
When I come back, I
accommodation.
had new contract.
Yes.
If you new contract, another employer, no? Same.
Same Radek. Radek is directly reallocated. Hindi, nakadalawang taon sila sa Rosas. Kaya na natin sumami.
Alin? 10 taon?
Dalawang taon.
Madam Ming, she said she can work 10 years without going home. She said,
It's good. I want to
When
see
you
my
come back to
children.
Philippines, you will be rich.
Sumami ka, taon ka ba umuwi?
ala?
Every year you will go home?
Yes.
Wow, rich. This is the rich dream.
Me,
Paying.
every 2 years. Will go home.
Ano mo kaya edit yung edad ko dito? 30.
Wow.
31.
Your family has a business in Bali?
No. My parents is, my father farmer.
Ah, yes.
Maganda sana computer shop, no?
Yeah.
Computer
Yung business,
shop.
yes.
Oo.
Yung computer shop business. Yes,
Computer shop. Madam
yes.
Ming.
Especially if you are near the
Madam
school.
Ming. Beautiful business computer shop.
Net?
Yeah, net. When you go, and if not like that, a mineral water. Yeah, mineral water. Mineral water.
Drinking
Mineral
water.
water?
Drinking water, yes.
It's not so popular.
Yeah, because maybe you have a spring. You can drink directly,
Yes,
not mineral.
it's
Yeah.
mineral. We from
Deep.
yeah.
This is in the province.
Yeah.
Before.
We have natural water.
Yes, mostly because have falls there.
Because in Philippines, dirty water.
Dirty?
Yes.
We cannot drink from the direct.
You got diarrhea when you drink in
Yeah, you have stomach.
Okay.
your worm is fighting.
So a business, water business like water
For the
station.
mineral.
Yeah, good business there.
It's like that, computer shop.
Near computer shop, near school.
Yes, near primary school is better.
Yeah, because mostly the students now printing like that.
Yes. Photocopy.
Yes.
Yes.
Ah, yes, true. Photocopy, Xerox copy,
Yes.
print,
Print.
yeah, like that. It's better That's why I think of it. When I go back in Philippines, I will go into have a business like that. After that,
You said you will make your
no,
You're
soon
saving for
we,
your
we, we will
okay?
Maiden.
we will going to have a massage also in Philippines. Mm.
Maiden.
Mm.
Massage
Philippines.
salon business. So
I
that's
will
why
go
you
to
must
Philippines and working here.
Yes. You go in there, so you miss the Philippines. You get vacation to my house, and I'm going to travel you everywhere. See?
That's when I want to go to Philippines without visa. It's okay.
Yes, it's okay. To, together as we will come to bring you in Boracay, in Palawan.
Very
Oh,
nice.
beautiful places.
white sun,
I wanna what?
white
White
sun,
sand.
white sun, beaches.
Ah, we have in Bali.
We have also
In Bali also
We
have,
have
a beach also.
white and
black
black.
sand.
Yeah.
Us also. But we have Turtle Island. If you swim until here, a lot of turtles there in my place.
In my place, lot of shark.
I wanna go to Thailand.
Oh, Thailand is beautiful, but
Yes.
much more than beautiful in our country.
Yeah, Philippines.
Because they don't see the foreigner, they want to go in Indonesia and Philippines. People now ranking in beautiful places in Asia: Philippines, Indonesia, Japan. Thailand is 7 or 6, but 3: Japan, Philippines, Indonesia. Because Indonesia lot of islands.
Yeah. Especially in Bali.
See, lot of islands.
Like Philippines also.
That's why they like it.
In Indonesia, more than 3,600
In the
islands.
Philippines, 7,000.
And more than AIDS. You know AIDS? AIDS. A prostitute. Number 1 in Thailand.
Yeah.
Yes,
In
yeah.
Thailand.
That's the number 1. That's why they get sick on sex. AIDS like that.
Because a lot of transgender there. Like
Transgender, same like me. Transgender and a prostitute, real woman. That's why.
So it means you're working here in massage for 2 years? Nice. So you save more money. You have a lot of savings because you work 2 years for this, no?
For my first contract, I don't have money because I need to pay my credit. I need to send my sister and brother to school, and also I buy some land.
Yes.
Maybe for the next
Yeah, also my
contract.
investment land also.
Yeah.
When I was in Saudi land, I bought land, 500 square meter, 200 like this.
Yeah.
As planting mangoes, not for rice because we are near the island. Mangoes, lemon, plantation like this.
Mango. Maybe for the next contract, I will saving my money. And for the third contract, I will saving for my
House and lot. Yes, house and lot.
Yeah, house. Not house. Maybe I will go married.
Because the marriage age should be like 25, 26. How old are you, Nick?
22.
Oh, see, after 3 years you must go married.
No,
25.
I think I will be married on 27 or 28.
Okay. It's okay, still young.
Yeah.
Because you must be like ready, no? Because if you're married like 21, like my sister, she start 21, a lot of baby.
You know, my young sister already married.
How old is she?
16.
Oh my god, 16, imagine.
Married? Pregnant?
No, she's not pregnant.
It's okay for you to marry at 16? In the Philippines, not allowed.
For
It is
our
strict.
religion, religion, it's okay. But for our love, no.
18 up to get married.
It's 18 up.
I think 19 or 21.
19 or 21.
Yeah. For women, I think 19 or 21 can be married, legal married.
Me, Madam Me, I see a transgender also in your country.
Yes.
I see in YouTube. Transgender also, same like me in your country. Beautiful.
Yes.
Yeah, because they are here in Thailand also.
Yes. No. It's not they're from Thailand. You're going to ride some airplane.
Yes, it's Philippines, Indonesia, Thailand, Malaysia. They
Yeah.
are like
Malaysia
island.
and Indonesia is one island.
Mm.
Like same like Singapore, Brunei Darussalam,
Mm.
Timor Leste. Yeah.
Sa atin din kasi, may kanya-kanya kasi tayo. We have an island like us. We're separated from Japan. Separated the Philippines, Indonesia. That's why they got a lot of islands.